Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get animated backgrounds on Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select View My Profile from the options that appear. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can showcase your gaming achievements and customize your appearance. Now look at the right panel of your profile page and click on Edit Profile. This button opens up all the customization options available for your Steam account, allowing you to personalize everything from your avatar to your background. It's the gateway to making your profile truly unique. Once you're in the Edit section, navigate to the left panel and click on Steam Points Shop. This is Steam's reward system where you can spend points you've earned from purchasing games to unlock various cosmetic items and profile enhancements. The Points Shop offers a wide variety of customization options beyond just backgrounds. In that same left panel, click on Backgrounds. This will filter the shop to show you only the background options available. You'll now see a collection of both static and animated backgrounds that you can browse through. Take your time scrolling through the results and click on your preferred animated background to preview it and see how it would look on your profile. Although I don't have Steam points right now, I'll show you the next step. It's important to note that in order to enable any animated background, you must first have enough Steam points to purchase it. These points are earned automatically when you buy games on Steam, so the more you use the platform, the more customization options become available to you. Once you've purchased your chosen animated background, you'll need to equip it to make it visible on your profile. To do this, click on your username again in the upper right corner and select View My Profile. From there, click on Edit Profile in the right panel once more to return to the customization settings. In the left panel, click on Profile Background. This section displays all the backgrounds you currently own, including any animated ones you've just purchased. Choose your purchased animated background from the available options and then click Save to apply it to your profile. Your new animated background is now active and will be displayed whenever someone visits your Steam profile. And that's it! You've successfully added an animated background to your Steam profile, making it stand out and reflect your personal style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.